Welcome back to the channel, Sunshines. In honor of BTS going on tour this year, I decided to bring back another BTS keychain tutorial to give you some inspo if you're thinking of making one. This time, we are making one for J-Hope. As you can see, I already glued down his zodiac sign, which is an Aquarius. Shout out to all my February loves out there. I almost was an Aquarius, but I got bumped up to a Pisces. I found a set of zodiac charms in Walmart, so I've just been using whatever I have left over for these keychains. Now, if you watched our Jung Kook tutorial, you'll already know we have to use a drill to make a hole at the top of our guy. I have this cute mini drill that I usually use, and as a reminder, please always use proper face protection when using drills, or you'll end up like this guy. And make sure to drill the hole not too close to where the seam of the head meets. We don't want this cutie patootie falling apart on us. For this keychain, I'm going to stick to silver hardware, and you're going to carefully add some glue to the screw you'll be using so that it stays secure. It may be a little tricky at first, but I found it is easiest for me to hold the screw still while twisting the toy, since we have more grip holding on to the toy compared to the screw. You'll just keep twisting it until it goes all the way in and stops at the hook. For it to hang, you'll just use a chain like this to add it to the top of his head, and then add the actual keychain clip to the chain, and bam! You just turned his big head into a keychain. Now, if you don't have the BTS Mcdonald's toys that they sold last year, you can get any plastic toy or figurine and use the same method to turn it into a keychain, so your options are truly limitless. As a lot of you guys know, I try to use things I already have on hand because this economy is no joke. So I am using this clear stretch cord to make my beaded charms. Once I'm done using this up and pay all my bills, I will be exploring other cord options. But for this size cord, I usually string one bead for the bottom of it, pulling it into the center, and the rest of the beads will be strung with both sides of that cord going through them so that they sit on that bottom bead. I love doing a mixture of these beautiful glass beads and letter beads because it just comes out so gorgeous. For the first one, I'm going to spell out his name with some accent beads on the end. Once you add all your beads, you're going to add the crimp cover with a crimp bead inside, with a little bit of glue after crimping that bead for extra securedness. Close the cover and trim off the excess cord, and there you have it, your first set is done. You're just gonna repeat this process for as many charms as you want for your keychain. I like to plan out and lay the beads in the order I want them to be, so when I'm stringing them, I don't have to think about the order, and this helps me stay organized and stay less stressed when trying to decide what to do. Now for my last charm, I picked this little guy up when I went to Miniso one time. If you're a fan of J-Hope, you already know who this is. I'm so happy that it had a little hole at the top already, so that I could add my cord to it. I'm just going to string it the same as the other charms I made, but just using this cutie as the bottom bead. Since the color of it is not so bluish, I decided to do more of a pinkish color since I was limited in the color of the beads I have, but I think it came out pretty well. I am now going to add all the charms to the key ring in the order I'd like them to be. I did feel like something was missing, so I decided to use some ribbon that I had to make a cute little bow. I had to look up a tutorial, but it did show me how to make one using 2 strands of ribbon to make it look a little fuller.
Same point of view, I'm always ready, so call me over. We're meant to be like the sun and the moon. I just want you to know I love a strawberry side. The silence so loud, I'm running out of patience. I need your love, babe. I'll have a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time, can you tell me the truth? I'm feeling you, I'm feeling you, oh, be honest.
It took me a few tries to finally get it, but I was so impressed with how it came out at the end. Once you fluff her up a bit, she looks so cute. I just trimmed the ends and used a lighter to get rid of those frayed edges. And to attach it to the keychain, you'll have to add a jump ring to it. I added mine to the middle of the bow, carefully pushing it through the knot in the back, and just attached it to the chain. And bam! What a cutie pie! This is how it all looks together. It always feels like a trust the process moment, honestly, but I'm truly obsessed with how it came out. As always, thank you for hanging out with me again. I hope you have an amazing week. Love you guys. Bye.